Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to power off or restart OPPO Reno phones. So here I have a OPPO Reno 11, but it's the same also for 12, 13 and 14. And to turn off this phone, first you will be tempted to push and hold the side button, but Google appears, and the right combinations is to push and hold the volume up and the power button like this. And from here you can restart or power off your phone. Also, we have an easy way for that. Just go to settings, and here swipe down and go to additional settings. Here we have power button, and now as you can see it's selected voice assistant, but if you tap here, from here you can select power menu, and now if I exit and I push long on the side button, as you can see the power off menu appears, and from here you can restart or turn off your phone. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.